Hi all my phenomenal beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I am Phenomenal Flawless. I am very excited about sharing this video with you all ladies because this is my first shipment from samsbeauty.com and I am going to be sharing it with you. In this video I will be unboxing 7 units, as you will hear me repeatedly say, and I apologize in advance, 10 units when no, correction, it is 7 units that I'm going to be sharing with you in my unboxing of my very first samsbeauty.com shipment. And ladies, this video is not sponsored. This video is all about me sharing units that I purchased with my very own coins, and I will be doing wig reviews on each one of these units. So ladies, if you would like to see how each one of these units really look, what I think about them, what are my viewpoints, how they come style, and all that pertinent information, then make sure you subscribe, share, like, and comment down below, and don't forget to put that notification bell on so you won't miss anything when I upload a video. I thank you in advance, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Hi phenomenal beauties, and I'm back, you guys. We just came in the house. I'm so excited. This is our first wig shipment coming in. I can't even talk, you guys. I'm so excited. This is the first shipment for the reviews I'm going to be doing here on Phenomenal Flawless, and I just want to go ahead and greet everybody again. Welcome back to the channel. I am Phenomenal Flawless, and these are our beautiful first 10 units I'm about to show you guys. I'm about to unbox the first 10 units that I am going to be bringing to you guys, and some rig reviews here on Phenomenal Flawless. So I don't want to waste any more time, you guys. Let's dig in. These units, by the way, are coming from samsbeauty.com. 95% of the time, the wigs that I'm going to be reviewing here in different wig review tutorials or segments with me are all going to pretty much come from samsbeauty.com. Okay, so let's unbox this. I'm so excited. I do have my handy dancer scissors to go ahead and just rip this open. There it is, you guys. You see that? Let me turn it around so you guys can see. I want you guys just to see how their stuff, if you have a large order, how it's going to come in. You see that? samsbeauty.com. Well, it's upside down on my way. samsbeauty.com. And let me go ahead and do my disclaimer too. samsbeauty.com did not just send me these units. I purchased these units with my own coins. That's right, with my own coins. So without further ado, hopefully Sam's in the future will be able to do a different some more collabs and things with me in the future. So Sam's Beauty, if you're watching, let your sister, connect with your sister. Let your sister, hey, let's get together, because I did purchase these with my own coins. So we'll see what happens with samsbeauty.com in the future. So ladies, this is how they came boxed, as you can see. I just want to show you guys the details for those of you who may have never gotten a big haul like this one. Okay, so it comes unboxed like that. So I know what all I ordered, so I don't know what's what. Okay, so I'm going to start right here in the back. This is a unit. This is how this unit looks. Isn't she gorgeous? So I'll be bringing you guys a review on every last single one of these 10 units that I'm going to be showing you guys here in this video. And this is a ombre quick weave complete cap wig, and it's in the style Milena. Isn't she gorgeous? So that's my first one. My second one is in kind of a mid to short wig range. You guys can't see her that well, but this is a Bohemian wig, and it's by Dana, tangle free, fine top quality beauty, and I have her in a color 1B. I forgot to tell you guys what color I have this one in, but you're gonna see a tutorial, not a tutorial, a wig review on this, all these units I'm showing you anyway. But I have this Milena in a DX 23227. Okay, so that's her again, and this is the next unit that I have. And you guys will get to see exactly what they look like when I take them out of the packaging on camera as we doing reviews together on each one. This is the third one. This is a Ready for Lasting Beauty, the very top quality HTF Fashion Source wig. In this color, I have her in HT HT slash Amanda. That's what it is. Style HT Amanda. I have her in the color F1B slash 33. And there it is right there in the color. So if you guys want to know what some of these styles that you can't see, if they don't have a picture on the outside, you want to know, ladies, come and follow your sister's channel so you'll get to see exactly what they look like. And this one, it gives you kind of a glimpse. Matter of fact, I have a stock card on this side. This is my next one. This is a Back to School 70. This is my Afro type retro wig. I think she's very gorgeous. I'm going to be wearing her like this, and I'm going to be wearing her a lot on my wrap, head wraps that I'll be bringing to you guys, and the ones that I wear and all that fashion style. I'll be showing you guys this unit a lot. And so this is a clip-in U-type, undetectable, natural, kinky look, easy and simple way. This is by Janet Collection. And I have her in a 1. I already know. I remember ordering her in a 1. And this is a 4A Angus wig. And this is a U-shaped part wig. Isn't she gorgeous? So you guys will see me rocking her and bring you guys a review on this one. This is by Freetress. And this is a blended, which is human hair and synthetic hair combined, full cap wig as well. And this is the style that I purchased her in. And she's also in a 1. And this style is called Trendy Girl by Freetress. Okay. All right. And have 2 more. And this one is premium quality, 100%. Want to mess this word up, you got F-U-T-U-R-A, Futura or something, Futura fiber. And this is Hair Top C. This is by Hair Top C. And this is a curling friendly safe. I see that already up to 400 degrees. And this is the color. Try to zoom in so you guys can see that color. This is like a 27/1B combined, or it could be a 4. I think, or this is a 4. Yeah, this is a 27T/T27. That's the color. So I'll be bringing you guys a review on this one. And so you'll get to see the style, what it really looks like out of the package. And last but not least, I have this one. You get to see what she looks like as well. This is how she came packaged. This is Newborn Free Wig. And I got her in the style Ashley. Her color is TX/Mocha. Is the color. Isn't she pretty? And it's called Mocha because of the basically kind of brownish type color that it has. So I'm going to put all these safely back into my box here. And so that's going to be that for that. I'm going to put those back in. So I just want to tell you guys, ladies, that's the unboxing. Do look forward to the next couple of weeks where we'll be doing another unboxing. Is I'll have shipments coming in every 2 weeks to do reviews here from samsbeauty.com. is my one of my favorite go-to. There are many other sites I like to use, but samsbeauty.com has been one of my favorite top since I found out about them, and I would love to bring a lot more, you know, to the table from them. So that's what my goal is to continue to get my units from them, because I really like wearing their units. And no, this unit I'm wearing here, I get a lot of compliments on it. They have something similar to this, but I did not get her from them at all. This is one of my units out of Phenomenal Wigs, because I do have my own online wig store, and so she's one of the units that's in that line. So I'll tell you guys more about that in the future as we continue to grow with each other. But yes, that's it, ladies. Just want to come with this really quick unboxing review of my first 10 units coming from samsbeauty.com that I purchased. Again, what my disclaimer is with my own coins. But Sam's Beauty, if you catch a whiff of this video and you're listening, then contact me for business inquiries. I would love to work with you guys. So I just want to go ahead and put that out there. So for the beauty ladies, I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing with me. Do give this video a like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video with anyone and everyone. Let them know what your phenomenal beauty sister is doing over here on Phenomenal Flawless. So until our next video, where I'll be coming to bring you guys one of these units. I don't know which one it's going to be. If you really want to know and you want to see, then stay tuned to my channel. Come back and visit me. And don't be a stranger. And don't forget to subscribe and put that notification bell on so you won't miss anything when I upload a video. So until next time, don't forget that I'm your sister. I love you guys. And to use your spiritual gifts. Why? Because God gave them to you. So peace. See you guys in the next video.